Okay, we have another video here. So far we have our white bottom, we have our first two layers, we have our yellow X, and then we have these edge pieces where they're correctly aligned with the yellow on the top and then the correct colors on the side. So now our next strategy is to get our corners in the spots where they need to be. Now the yellow might not always be pointed up. We'll have to fix that. That's like literally our last step. We just want to make sure that the correct piece is in the spot. So I want a piece here that is red, blue, and yellow. Basically want this one here. So my strategy here is I'm going to mark this one right here with a 1. Okay. So what this algorithm is doing here, it's going to keep this one piece and it's not going to move this piece. It'll basically rotate these 3 pieces. Okay. So right now, since none of these are matching the colors where they need to, I'm just going to pick this blue side. Okay. Because I need to do this algorithm at least to get one corner matching. So I'm going to expect this piece to go here, this piece to go here, and then this piece is going to go here. This one is going to be unaffected. So this number 1 will be facing us at the end. So I'm going to explain it while I'm doing it. I'm looking at the blue. I do right up, and I do the top once, and then I bring the right back. Then I bring the top back. Now I'm looking at that white piece. Now I bring the left side up. I bring the top to the right. I bring the right side up again, and then I rotate the top, and now you see I have 2 white lines. You can see I bring this back and this back. This did not move at all. Remember I told you it was going to stay here, right? This one didn't move. But now you notice that my blue and red is right here, and then the piece that was here moved here, and this piece, so it made like a triangle right here. That's really what happened. I still have my yellow X. I still have blue and blue, orange and orange, red and red, green and green. So all that happened is I'm shifting these 3 pieces. That's all I did. This one stayed the same. So now I'm going to look around. This one's perfect. I don't always get it where yellow is facing upward either. So this piece is where I'm going to now start. So I'm going to take this 1 here and take it off. Now this piece is right where I want it. I don't want it to move. So I'm going to put this 1 here. I ultimately want to get this piece right over here. And sometimes students will, I've had kids who have taken this piece and they rotate it because they think that like, hey, I can just get a piece to move. You're going to really mess up your Rubik's Cube doing that. Or if you have stickers, people will move stickers around. It really ruins your Rubik's Cube. So this piece is going to move here. This one should move here, and this one should move here. So I'm going to have to do this algorithm a few times. So it's right. So I'm looking at the white. Bring this up, and then bring this back down. Now I bring this back so I see that yellow, or I see the white again, right? Bring the left side up so I see all that. Now I'm going to rotate this again. I'm going to bring this back up, and now I see 2 white stripes, and now I just bring it straight back and straight back. This piece didn't move at all. We're still looking at number 1. These all rotated 1 time. This is not where it's supposed to be. I'm looking for a red, a green, and a yellow. Red, green, and yellow is right here. So here, I'm going to rotate this over to here. This one will move over to here, and this will move over to here. So they're all rotating 1 spot in that triangle, okay? Now it's important, I am doing algorithms here, but I'm trying to explain what's happening to the different pieces here, okay? So nothing's really being affected except for these 3 pieces. So one more time, because this piece will stay here. So right, looking at all the white pieces. I rotate this once. Then I bring this back down so I don't affect anything else. Now I bring this back. So I'm looking at that white piece. Bring the left side up. So I'm looking at all the white pieces. I I rotate this once, and I bring this back up, and now I rotate it one time. Now I have two white stripes there, and I rotate this down, rotate this down. Now I have this piece where it's supposed to. If I look here, I want green, red, and yellow. Well, this is red, this is green, and the top's yellow. So this piece is where it's supposed to be, right? It's not oriented in the way I want it, but that's okay. Same thing here. I have red, blue, and yellow. Yeah, it's not how I want it, but it's in this correct spot, which is important. Same thing here. This is in the correct spot. So now I'm ready for literally my last algorithm, and I will have solved the Rubik's Cube.